Hello, welcome back to another challenge. In this video, we challenge you to memorize just five items that you are familiar with, everyday items, but you only have 10 seconds to view the objects or the items and memorize them. Are you ready? Now the key thing is you have to pay attention. So I'm going to reveal a first set of items, 5 items. You need to memorize them. You have 10 seconds. Then you must be able to recall them or write down the names of the objects on a sheet of paper. Keep your score. Excuse me. So let's begin. So you have 10 seconds. You got more than 10 seconds there. Okay, up. How many were you able to recall? Take out your notebook, keep a record. Remember, you're establishing a baseline of the level of your performance, your current capacity to memorize things. So when you keep a baseline, you can always go back and see, well, when you first attempted this exercise, you scored so many. Now when you do this exercise 30 days after, you'll see the difference. Let's look at another example. I'll reveal another set of 5 items, and you have 5 seconds, 10 seconds to memorize that. Starting now. Time's up. How many were you able to recall? Keep a record of your score. The 2 sets of items or objects, they're everyday objects that you're familiar with, and this challenge tests your ability to memorize everyday objects. Very simple exercise.